Hello! Welcome to day 2 of exploring Northern California. We're in the car just leaving San Francisco on the way to Napa. We're very excited because this is our first time going to Napa. We're crossing over the Bay Bridge again, but we're heading north. Let me show you. We are less than an hour away from our final destination. Yesterday, we were on the other side of the bridge. We are arriving at the hotel a little earlier than the check-in time. We wanted to explore the property because we are staying at a resort. I have my workout gear on. When I say gear, I mean outfit. I would like to check out the sauna, maybe work out a little bit. We might grab a light lunch because we just had a pretty heavy breakfast in San Francisco. We have a dinner reservation at the hotel tonight around 6:30 p.m. We are driving past an amusement park. I think it's called Discovery Kingdom. We are 5 minutes away from the hotel and we're driving through vineyards. We are now on the property of the hotel. It's called Stanley Ranch and they own all of these vineyards. Vineyards is a compound word, which is vine and yard, but when you say it together as one word, it's vineyard. You can see the beautiful property already from here. It's a lovely day today, 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh look, if you look ahead, you can see there are some cyclists or bikers. I love cornhole. They have that as an option here as one of their activities. I think we are waiting for the bellhop or somebody to check us in. All right, we made it onto the property. Look at how beautiful it is. This is the front desk, so we are going to check in. We are going to check out the coffee shop. Thanks. Hello. How are you? Good, thank you. How are you? Good. Okay, thank you. It's a nice flask.
Maybe get you anything else?
Just that for now, thank you.
Come back for the
Perfect.
What time do you close?
4 p.m.
Okay. We are touring the property and I never want to leave. This is one of the pools. Here are the hotel rooms, which are its own little houses.
Oh yeah, we had a wedding yesterday. Oh yeah, big wedding. So they're all leaving right now. So it's pretty busy. Yeah. Glad to have you here though.
Thank you.
How does the bike rental work? You obviously have to sign up for it, but can you have
just
to
come to us ranch hands up at the front.
Yeah.
We'll take care of you. We'll get you some bikes.
Okay.
Show you some trails.
Would we like have been able to take the bikes to the gym, or do we have to?
Yeah. If
Okay.
there were some down there.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Pretty lenient on the bikes. It's just first come first serve.
Yeah.
Do you live in Napa?
Yeah.
Nice.
Where are you two coming in from?
LA.
This LA. Oh, really? Yeah. A lot of the people from the wedding actually are from
there.
down from there too. So the gym is the building in the middle.
Okay.
But I would just enter through this glass door since you don't have a room key yet here, and they can get you inside. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We just got out of the gym. Look at these little grapes. I'm getting settled in my room. I just took a shower. We ordered room service. Let me show you our food. We got grass-fed beef bolognese, broccoli, carrots, salmon. What is this called? Romanesco broccoli, something like that, and a glass of rosé. We just got in from a stroll. One of the workers here just surprised us with some goodies. We are on our way to dinner. We're having dinner at the hotel restaurant called The Bear, and I hear they have incredible dessert. One of my friends told me. I will keep you posted. My husband is very shy. He does not like to be on camera.